All right, so here's the deal. It's 3 a.m. right now, Thursday morning of GTRFest when this video goes out. Come to GTRFest. I'm going to have this car and my LS Pro car. We're doing drift ride-alongs, and we're at our black tie detailing 5.3 Supply booth. I'm going to be detailing this car live in between runs and whatever time I can scrape off. That's gonna be amazing. Drag racing, drifting, some of the coolest cars out there that you'll never be able to see unless you come to GTRFest. So hope to see you guys there. Let's get on to my OG. 8 years ago, I imported this car from Japan and been building it ever since. 5 years ago, when we were doing a burnout for the gender reveal for my first daughter, we had kind of a catastrophic clutch failure. We fully built the engine, top down. It's been ready to make power for a long time. This car has never given us a break, but today it's time to taste some sweet victory. This is the car I've owned the longest and driven the least, and that hopefully is about to change. We're heading to Horsepower Lounge to have Mick from Motorsports Mechanical tune this thing once and for all. All right, so we're gonna meet a few people today, Mick and Davin, and then some other really cool GTR guys. I have probably the only non-GTR here, but you know, probably the most unique, maybe. Nice to finally meet you, man. How you doing, dude?
Good, man.
So this is Davin, PRP. You're a lot of things over here in the US, yeah?
I do a few things. So I distribute for R-Tech Performance, Motorsports Mechanical.
Yeah, I should have brought a freaking stool, man. I'm like, nah, you're good, dude.
PRP, a couple of the big names from Australia. Most importantly, I just like to bring the Aussie parts and make it easy for them to come in and get out, right?
Yeah, so that's huge. So this is cool. So we're at Horsepower Lounge.
We're here at Horsepower Lounge, yep.
Okay.
We've got, this is my buddy Justin Gibbs' car. It's a pretty big car. I think it's a 2.8, big turbo, nice fuel system.
Yeah.
Doing an E85 flex fuel. Gonna make some jam. Mix under there, they're sorting out a small issue with the boost controller.
JDM thing.
All kinds of wild things in here.
Mick, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Nice to meet you, mate.
You too, bro.
Love my Aussies, dude.
That camera's it's just
so-
a big problem. That's the problem.
Yeah, you want to hold it, dude?
No, I got so money in my car.
Give it a rip,
I got
dude.
the same
Come on,
money in the
dude.
car.
Give it a rip, man. Yeah, you go.
I got so money in my car, but we just
Yeah.
can't use it. You teach me how to use it?
We're already rolling, dude.
You gonna go do skids?
Yeah, absolutely. Could do some tip-ins in the parking lot.
100%.
I do. I know how to do the Aussie way.
Do you reckon he knows how to do the Aussie way?
I can do it the Aussie way.
You reckon he knows how to get into third gear and swing him
Oh yeah.
with a beer in his hand?
So what you want to do? Hold it up here. Get a good angle. It makes you look taller. Mick from Motorsports Mechanical. Tell them a little about yourself.
Got a workshop in Australia.
Yeah.
We build GTRs, RVs, SRs, 2Js, VRs, LS,
All the things.
whatever you want.
I haven't done RB things in a long time, so I think it'll be super cool just to hang out, hear some good noises. But honestly, just having the car tuned is going to be the coolest thing ever because it's been 8 years of building this car. I love RB noises. So we just made 630.
630 wheel.
Is this OSHA approved?
That's oh shit.
It's OSHA approved.
I was about 70% throttle. I'm still scared to get in it.
That's awesome, dude. It pulls nicely. Oh my god! That sounds so good. The wastegate? It's so sick.
God dang, man.
I gotta say, this is the first time I've ever ridden back seat in a GTR, and we drove just long enough to where I'm not gonna throw up on you, so. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm just going for a ride in all the cool cars today. Dude, Nardi steered. This car's clean. You said this makes how much power?
Roughly 640, 650.
Okay,
all
cool.
wheel on high
Cool.
boost.
Whose car is that, dude? Some degenerate built this thing.
I don't know, man. It goes pretty hard.
Goofy looking car, dude. Who builds 4-doors, dude? Yeah, who owns a detailing company with a car that dirty?
I don't know. But you know what I like is that it's low.
Oh yeah. It has been so long since I've had a turbo car that makes reasonable power. I think I'm gonna get the bug again.
And then this one has all the fun stuff, so like we can get some rolling anti-lag going.
Oh yeah. So good. Oh my, that's awesome, dude. Are these big single, I guess?
Big single TO4Z turbo.
Oh yeah, this is the TO4 one. Yeah,
this
that's
is
right.
TO4Z.
Dude, this car is
HKS step 1. I mean, it's got all the jam. But this, what I love about this car is it makes all the right sounds. Just like
yes, that's what like. Yeah, I don't run a blow-off valve on my cars for that reason. Dude, I've just gotten to the point where it's like, I'll just grab a new turbo if I blow something. You know, it's like, I'd rather get some compressor surge and impress the boys. I like Mick already just because he already tuned the rolling anti-lag with his car. He tuned two-step properly, and he's like, the Aussies, they just love their sound. But the tuners that I've had experience with, like, they're just so not even scared, but like this is such a weird territory for them that they go and do all the fun stuff. It's like, that's the whole point of tuning and doing the whole build. It's like, I didn't blow 30 grand, like I was telling you earlier. I didn't blow this much money on a motor to not make it sound stupid and ignorant.
that's kind of the point.
I want to do hood rat things with my money that I spent, dude.
If I can't torment it, I'm not happy.
Exactly.
Like,
this car is so sick. So this is one of the guys that plays on the Houston Texans. Super sick.
Junky computer. I thought being a big YouTuber, you would have had the best computer in the car. Hey, the f is those noises?
It's air, dude. Air
For
suspension.
what?
Air suspension. Dude, I built this car when I was a degenerate. Actually, I'm still a degenerate.
How do you go up?
You want me to go up? I got Tokyo Drift on there for you if you want to.
Oh, we're gonna go cruising now.
All right. It needs a lot. It needs some Aussie love,
We're
man.
gonna give it the Lebanese idol first. That's a first. We'll give it the Lebanese
The
idol.
Lebanese idol, I love it, dude.
Yeah,
That's good, dude. This is why I love people from Australia. You guys just know how to party. You guys know how to do it right.
she sounds spicy.
Yeah. So what do you think about my junk box, dude?
Yeah, we can make this go fast.
Yeah, we may go fast.
Yeah.
How are you feeling? It's only
I don't know
been
how to be.
long?
It's like I don't know if I feel excited or if it's just like, because it's just been so long of building this car. It's I don't know. I think it's gonna feel sweet just to have it. I don't know. I honestly don't know how to type. I don't know how I feel. It'll be nice. I think I actually am stoked.
Are you?
It's hard to gauge, but pretty. I think.
Are we going conservative or crazy?
I mean, he's gonna get as much power out of it as possible.
Okay.
It's
Are
not
we
gonna be.
going-
It's not gonna be like wild because I'm gonna run out of fuel pump.
Oh, that's fair. Flames, no flames.
Oh yeah.
All right, back to fun, Evan. What's your guess for horsepower?
It's hard to say. Probably I would say 540.
540.
It's gonna be over 500. If it's not over 500, then something's wrong.
It's gonna be over 500.
It's gonna be over 500. Well, on the contrary, how do you feel?
It's about damn time.
Right?
I can't even remember the last time. I can't remember the last time anything with this car.
Yeah, this is my first time driving it in 6 years technically today.
Is it that long?
It's been 6 years. Yay.
Yay.
How much we making, dude?
Given the luxury state of the vehicle, the air ride suspension, the guy that built it, and the story this car has come through, I'm gonna go ahead and say about 621.
Ooh.
Generous are we today?
One of two things are gonna happen. It's gonna make more than 600, or we're gonna run out of fuel first.
All right.
I genuinely believe that.
Go for a drive, man, or what?
Yeah, dude. I'm telling you, is there a place around here we can do some hood rat stuff? I'm not
You
kidding.
gotta do Australian style. When you're doing burnouts, take a single outside.
That's fine. I can drive with my feet. I drive with my feet. Let's do
Third
it.
gear,
Yeah.
and just hold the single out with the beer in the
Dude.
air.
Maybe I am excited. I think I'm excited. Drop.
Guys, Mick here. We're just fixing the YouTuber's mistakes. We had a fuel pressure problem because there was no relay. He told me he had one. Magically, he must have fallen out.
No, I didn't say that.
Oh, okay. He thought he had one. We got no boost controller. Now we got to get the boys to fix it. YouTubers, man. Hey, look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. He's just eating.
Hey, maybe you should fill your mouth with something so it stops moving so much.
Yeah, right.
Needed a fuel pump relay, and now we're back. We're so back. That's exciting. That hurt my ears a lot. That's exciting. You guys got to hear this idle. Yeah. That's the whop, whop, whop. That's what you need to hear out of an RB, my guy. The flames! So good.
That's on 14 pounds, yeah?
That's only on 14 pounds? Oh my god.
That's made 400 horsepower, 14 pounds.
Okay. Was it a little Aussie assessment here? What's going on? Be easy, dude. Come on.
The boost controller's plumbed wrong because of the old mechanic. We can't blame.
That's me. Just it's me. I'll take it.
Nah, come on, man.
It's
We
me.
can't blame you.
I didn't check it.
Bro.
I didn't check it.
So yeah, we've got the boost controllers a bit. How you going? We're sorting that out now. We're making 400 horsepower on 14 pounds.
On gate, dude. Just
On
raw
wastegates
gate.
pressure. I'll
That's
put it
cool.
on 20 pounds. We'll max the fuel pump out. And then hopefully you become a man and put a bigger fuel system in it.
Yeah, yeah. No, you
What
know
do you
what?
guys reckon?
Maybe
I reckon-
I'll put another pump in there for GTRFest. I'll just slide one in there. You know,
You're
before.
definitely dreaming, bro.
That's 505? We just jumped 100 horsepower? Hey! Did you mean to do that? We're already in the 500, so I'm pretty stoked.
Nah, like more. We have to make
More? I like this guy. He's cool.
have to make more.
That sounds good.
We're out of pump.
Out of pump already?
Out of pump 560. We're out of pump.
How did you just do?
It's easy fuel pressure.
Magic fingers, bro. Bro just went from 400 to 561 in freaking.
D85 too.
Yeah, we're out, bro.
561 is amazing.
No, this car goes 600 plus. I'm telling you all day, there's 600, 650 horsepower.
So next time you're back in the States, I'll put.
February, so it takes 2K. I'm gonna come back.
Alright.
But if we put another pump in it wideband, put an oil pressure sensor in it, that's it, we're done. But I'm gonna pull the boost back out of it, I'm gonna leave it nice and rich so you can get thrash the life out of it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do skids in it.
That's what I'm talking about. I think I need to get out of the car for this one. Yeah, bud, we're gonna need an instant replay on that one. I mean, what do you guys think? Should I just go to jail now? Or should I just keep driving it, see what happens? My bingo card had a lot of things on it today, and the flame that big wasn't there on it. That was nuts.
I almost fell off my ass.
You good? You good over there, dude? Absolutely ignorant. I mean, I know you said flames. I didn't know you were dropping a bomb back there, dude.
Why? We have to.
That was good. No, I like it.
It's nice and rich.
Ignorant.
It's perfect.
Anti-lag, same as before. Like,
So press the clutch switch in, flatten it.
is it like above like 80% threshold?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
cool.
on the flat.
Cool.
Other than that, we just had a pump. I'm spewing because I would have loved to ring it, but it's making some steam now. Like so far so good with this car, right? Like I'm happy with it. Mad car.
I mean, dude, you made almost, it was 560 in 3 pulls.
Yeah.
And you did flames all in 20 minutes? This guy's the real deal, dude.
It should take us a lot less, but
Yeah, well,
we did have a lot.
we're gonna say 20, you know, from, yeah.
Yeah, but it should take us a lot less. At this at 500, this will live forever, man. At least you can enjoy it.
Yeah.
Burnouts in it.
We turned it down, 500. We literally, you don't want to ever like cycle a pump that high.
At
of cycle.
560, we're out of pump flow.
Yeah, that's 100% pump.
There's
Yeah.
no point. Like we are gonna get absolutely nowhere. Conservative, reliable.
Yeah.
Just enjoy it.
We're gonna do some more stuff with Mick as we're here, but make sure you guys follow him. He does some goofy stuff, crazy stuff. But I'm gonna get you in the drift car at GTRFest.
Oh, we're definitely gonna.
I'm gonna get him in the drift car. It's gonna be crazy.
We're definitely gonna.
This will be fun, dude. No, that's awesome. I'm stoked. Give me a little fizz, dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Where's my work car? He's still getting food.
Yeah, this man's efficient, dude. He's already talking about food. Just like, I don't think I've ever had a tuner in my life. It just hops in, makes, you know, 100 more horsepower, and it's like, all right, flames done, boom, we're done. What? Now the fun part. Let's take it for a spin. I got to ride in your car earlier.
Yep.
Now you get to see what really bad tires. Honestly, dude, these are like 275s. Not good 275s, but you know, they're 275s. Oh yeah, there's no seatbelt over there.
What is this, man?
Yeah, it's a Japanese special. This is the most unprepared car I've ever owned in my life, by the way. This was a very, very, very last minute thing. Yeah, that's cool.
I can feel the dump under the seat here.
Wow. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go to jail. Oh, that's ignorant. That's pretty fun. All right, we're back to it. Since it's 3 a.m. still, I'm gonna keep this ending short and sweet. Not sentimental. Amazing. Super stoked. I wanted to get more footage of the car, and because it makes some seriously amazing noises. Like, but I'll get you more of that. You just got to make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna be at GTRFest. Couple runs down the drag strip, I'm pretty sure. And again, like I said, drift ride-alongs. I'll be drifting. It's gonna be an amazing time. I'll be detailing this car in person. This thing's been my test mule for all of our black tie detailing, which by the way, you guys need to go to blacktiedetailing.com and grab yourself some stuff. If you own a car, if you don't own a car, I don't know, it still smells good. You can put it on yourself and make yourself smell good. But come out, show us some love, show us some support. Stop by the black tie detailing booth and 5-3 Supply booth. We'll have fresh merch, all of our full assortment of black tie detailing goodies. So we'd love to see your support. We'd obviously just love to meet you, love to see you. But like I said, I'll be detailing this car. If I have, when I find the time, I'll be trying to detail panel by panel this car in person because it's been my test mule and it's been wrecked because I have tested products on it constantly. And it's seen the good and bad. I genuinely, bottom of my heart, I hope to see you guys there. This year, we've realized how important it is for us to get out there and hang out with you guys, to be a part of the community, and to see you guys in person. That means a ton to us. And so, you know, it means a ton to me if you guys come out, see us, hang out, say hello. I want to say a big thank you to Mick and Motorsports Mechanical, Davin as well for hooking all of this up. And it's amazing. Genuinely, guys, I never had a good tuning experience, literally until this. How fun was that video? Amazing. I'm still editing it right now. I need to go to bed. It's probably not gonna, it may not happen tonight. If you guys see me this weekend and I'm tired, guess what? Daddy didn't sleep. I'm not gonna hype it up. It's just gonna be hype regardless. So subscribe. If you don't, that's your fault. Your loss. Come see us at the black tie detailing booth. Or come find me. I'll be walking around. I'll be doing something. Come out and subscribe, okay? Peace.